Welcome, viewers, to an extraordinary journey that promises to unlock the hidden secret to overnight wealth. In this video, we will delve into the fascinating world of the mind and explore a mind trick that has the potential to revolutionize your financial situation in a remarkably short span of time. Imagine waking up tomorrow with your bank account overflowing with riches, all achieved through the power of your own mind. It may sound like a fantasy, but we assure you that this mind trick has the potential to change your life if applied correctly. Before we move towards our video, welcome back to my channel, where I always showed up with brand new videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss any updates. Now let's get back to the video. Autosuggestion is a powerful technique that taps into the subconscious mind to manifest financial desires. By repeating positive affirmations and engaging in visualization, you can reprogram your mind to attract wealth and abundance. Consistency and belief are key to harnessing the full potential of autosuggestion. While it is not an instant solution, when combined with practical actions, it can accelerate your journey to financial success. Embrace autosuggestion as a daily practice and unlock the hidden riches within you. Like, subscribe, and share to join a community of individuals on the path to financial abundance. By repetitively implanting positive affirmations and suggestions into your subconscious, you can reprogram your mind for success. Autosuggestion allows you to replace limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns with empowering thoughts and beliefs that attract wealth and abundance into your life. Countless individuals from all walks of life have experienced remarkable financial gains by practicing autosuggestion. Online testimonials are filled with stories of people who have shifted their mindset, embraced autosuggestion, and witnessed incredible transformations in their financial lives. These individuals attribute their success to the power of autosuggestion, which allowed them to tap into their inner potential, overcome limitations, and manifest financial abundance beyond their wildest dreams. Now, let's dive deep into the step-by-step instructions to apply the mind trick through autosuggestion. Follow these guidelines diligently to unlock the full potential of your mind and attract wealth rapidly. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Begin by defining your financial goals with clarity and specificity. Determine the exact amount of wealth you desire to manifest overnight. By setting precise goals, you provide a clear direction for your mind to focus on and manifest the desired outcome. Step 2. Craft empowering affirmations. Create positive affirmations that align with your financial goals. Use present tense statements like "I am attracting wealth effortlessly" or "money flows abundantly into my life." Repeat these affirmations with conviction and belief, ensuring that they resonate deeply within your subconscious mind. Step 3. Visualization and emotion. Engage in visualization exercises where you vividly imagine yourself already in possession of the wealth you desire. Visualize every detail, feel the emotions of joy, gratitude, and abundance as if you have already achieved your financial success. The mind responds strongly to the combination of visual imagery and intense emotions, reinforcing the belief that wealth is already within your grasp. Step 4. Repetition and consistency. Consistency is paramount when it comes to autosuggestion. Repeat your affirmations and engage in visualization exercises daily, preferably in the morning and before bed. Consistency reinforces the new belief system and strengthens the neural connections in your brain, making your mind more receptive to the manifestation of wealth. Step 5. Surround yourself with positive reinforcement. Create an environment that supports your financial success. Surround yourself with positive affirmations, inspiring quotes, and images that symbolize wealth and abundance. Avoid negative influences and negative self-talk. Surrounding yourself with individuals who uplift and encourage your financial journey can greatly enhance the effectiveness of the mind trick. Now let's hear from individuals who have diligently applied this mind trick and experienced extraordinary financial results. These success stories serve as living proof that the mind has the incredible power to manifest overnight wealth. John, a small business owner, shares how he went from struggling to make ends meet to becoming a millionaire in a matter of months. He vividly describes the shift in his mindset, the implementation of autosuggestion techniques, and the subsequent financial breakthroughs he experienced. Sarah, a freelance artist, talks passionately about her financial transformation, which allowed her to live a life of abundance and pursue her passions without financial constraints. She describes how she incorporated the mind trick of autosuggestion into her daily routine and witnessed remarkable results. Sarah shares how she started by setting clear financial goals and crafting empowering affirmations that aligned with her aspirations. Through consistent practice, she gradually rewired her subconscious mind, eliminating self-doubt and fear around money. Sarah emphasizes the importance of visualization and emotion in her journey to financial abundance. She vividly imagined herself living the life she desired, feeling the emotions of joy, gratitude, and abundance as if her dreams had already manifested. Sarah explains that this visualization practice allowed her to align her thoughts, emotions, and actions with the frequency of wealth, paving the way for the rapid manifestation of financial opportunities. As Sarah shares her success story, she highlights the importance of repetition and consistency. She committed herself to repeating her affirmations daily, consistently reinforcing her positive beliefs and reinforcing her subconscious programming for wealth. Sarah advises viewers to persevere through any initial doubts or setbacks, reminding them that the mind trick requires patience and unwavering commitment. The video then transitions to other success testimonials, showcasing a diverse range of individuals who have experienced overnight wealth through the mind trick of autosuggestion. From entrepreneurs to employees, their stories are a testament to the universality of this technique and its potential to transform financial circumstances. In conclusion, the mind trick we have explored in this video holds the promise of making you rich overnight. By harnessing the power of autosuggestion, you can reprogram your subconscious mind, eliminate limiting beliefs, and attract abundant wealth into your life. However, it is essential to approach this mind trick with dedication, consistency, and a positive mindset. Remember, the mind is a powerful tool, and when used in conjunction with practical actions, it can unlock the doors to unimaginable financial success. As we wrap up this video, we encourage you to embrace the mind trick of autosuggestion and take inspired actions towards your financial goals. Start by setting clear intentions, crafting empowering affirmations, and visualizing your desired outcomes with passion and emotion. Remember, you have the innate power to manifest overnight wealth by tapping into the limitless potential of your mind. Believe in your ability to attract abundance, and watch as the universe aligns itself to bring you extraordinary financial opportunities. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. Now it's time for you to apply the mind trick in your own life and witness the incredible results. Don't let doubt or skepticism hold you back. Take the first step towards overnight wealth and unleash the power of your mind. Remember, you have the potential to create the financial abundance you deserve. Get ready to experience a life of unlimited possibilities and become the master of your financial destiny. I hope you liked this video. If yes, then don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who are ready to unlock the secret to overnight wealth. Together, let's create a ripple effect of financial abundance in the world. Until next time, may your mind be filled with positive thoughts, your actions be aligned with your dreams, and your bank account overflow with the riches you deserve.